I won a red Ford Focus for $1,100 at an auto auction. Now this might be one of the riskiest ways to buy a car, but there was no way I was going to pass up on this opportunity. And I thought I would roll the dice. And I'll show you guys the whole process in a second. It's typically standard to do a test drive, check under the hood before you buy it, but I wasn't able to do any of that. This car wasn't on the auction list, and I wasn't able to pull the VIN to do research beforehand either. But something amazing happened. Another guy I had met earlier that day who was helping me out actually recommended that I buy the car. He ended up buying the Carfax for me on the spot and told me to go for it. So I looked him in the eyes and knew he was serious. The starting bid was $200. It was sold for $1,100. The cars at our local auction don't come with keys, so I got a key made for $100 and started the car. There was power, but when I turned the ignition, it just wasn't doing anything, and I started to panic. Had I just bought a lemon? Everyone's worst nightmare? After fumbling around an intensive Google search session, I found a forum that said it could be the lock cylinder and to try jiggling the key. I went ahead and tried it, and guess what? It worked. I took it home, gave it a nice detail, and ended up selling it for a cool $3,300, which left me with a little under $2,000 in profit for a weekend's worth of work.